Okay, everybody. So we're going to start with number one. And basically, whatever the letter they give you, you're just going to use x. So we're going to start by putting x squared, y equals x squared plus 3x minus 6. This is our quadratic. I know it's a quadratic because it starts with an x squared in it. And that's what we're going to use this diagram we're going to use to answer the questions. So the questions that are on the paper have to deal with x-intercepts, which are here and here. So you're going to record negative 4.372, comma 0 and 1.372, comma 0. Those are your x-intercepts. The y-intercept is 0, comma negative 6, and the vertex is negative 1.5, comma negative 8.25. So you're going to record these pieces of information for your quadratic, which is the left side of the symbol. Then what we're going to do is we're going to move to the second equation, in which case we need a y equals, and this one isn't just a number. Now it's saying q plus 2, so we're going to use x plus 2, and that's going to be our linear function. Now what we want to do again is go over to the gear, and I want to change this to the same color as my top one, just so that I can see where they're crossing. So I've got points of intersection happening where my line and my parabola, my quadratic and my linear, are touching. So at negative 4, comma negative 2, and at 2, comma 4, these are the points of intersection that are important to us. And we want to make sure that we write our points of intersection down on our paper. Lastly, the two things that we're going to look for our linear function are our x-intercept, which is on the x-axis, that's at negative 2, 0, and our y-intercept, which is at 0, 2. So we've got 2 points of intersection and an x-intercept and a y-intercept that you're going to record on your paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to shift to the paper itself, where we're going to have all this information written down, and then we're going to get started on making the graph, because what we're going to do is we're going to plot this graph and then be able to answer our solutions.